Have you ever felt stressed about what to eat? Do you struggle to find meals that fit your dietary needs? Well, today, we're tackling that with Meal Prep Sunday. We'll show you 3 delicious diabetic meals you can prep for the week. These meals will keep you satisfied while helping you manage your blood sugar. Let's dive in. Our first meal is a quinoa vegetable bowl. Start by rinsing 1 cup of quinoa. Add 2 cups of water to a pot and bring to a boil. Once boiling, add the quinoa, cover, and simmer for 15 minutes. While the quinoa cooks, chop your favorite vegetables. Bell peppers, broccoli, and spinach work great. Sauté these veggies in a pan with a teaspoon of olive oil. Add salt and pepper for taste. Combine the cooked quinoa with the sautéed vegetables in a bowl. For added flavor, top with a tablespoon of low-fat feta cheese. This meal is not only colorful but also packed with fiber and protein. Next up is our chicken stir-fry. Begin with 1 pound of chicken breast. Cut it into bite-sized pieces. Heat a tablespoon of olive oil in a pan. Add the chicken and cook until golden brown. Now, let's add veggies. You can choose snap peas, carrots, and onions. Add them to the pan. Pour in low-sodium soy sauce for flavor. Let everything cook until the veggies are tender. Serve this stir-fry over brown rice for a well-rounded meal. Finally, we have a hearty lentil soup. In a large pot, heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Sauté an onion, a carrot, and celery until soft. Add 2 cups of vegetable broth and 1 cup of lentils. Next, include spices like thyme and pepper. Let this simmer for about 30 minutes. The lentils will break down, creating a thick, hearty soup. This meal is perfect for cold days. Now you have 3 meals prepped for the week: the quinoa vegetable bowl, chicken stir-fry, and lentil soup. These meals are healthy, satisfying, and perfect for diabetic diets. Meal prep simplifies your week and ensures you have tasty options ready. Remember, healthy eating doesn't have to be boring. So, take control of your meal planning starting today. Try these recipes this Sunday and feel the difference. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Share your meal prep creations in the comments below. Let's make healthy eating easy for everyone.